Imagine waking up one morning and realizing the Earth has suddenly stopped spinning. No more day turning into night, no more sunrise or sunset, just one eternal moment frozen in time. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if it really happened? What kind of chaos would unfold on our planet? First, let's understand how fast Earth spins. At the equator, the surface hurtles through space at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet fighter. If the planet suddenly stopped rotating, everything not firmly anchored to the bedrock would be flung eastward at that insane speed. Buildings, trees, animals, even you, would be swept off like leaves in a hurricane. The devastation would be beyond anything we've ever witnessed. Now imagine the oceans. They're not glued to the Earth's crust either. When the spin stops, billions of tons of water would surge eastward, causing colossal tsunamis and flooding coastlines worldwide. The planet would be in a state of chaos with raging floods and massive destruction. But what about day and night? Since Earth's rotation defines how long a day lasts, if it halts, one side of the planet would face the sun forever, basking in relentless daylight, while the other side would be trapped in perpetual darkness. The scorching hot side could bake to unbearable temperatures, turning deserts into infernos, while the dark side would freeze into an icy wasteland. This extreme imbalance would wreak havoc on climate patterns and ecosystems everywhere. You might wonder about gravity. Earth's spin actually slightly reduces the effective gravity at the equator due to centrifugal force. If the spinning stops, gravity would feel a bit stronger, and the planet would slowly reshape itself from a slightly squashed sphere into a perfect ball. This would cause the oceans to redistribute, flooding some lands and exposing others. Wind patterns would turn upside down too. The Earth's rotation causes the Coriolis effect, which bends winds and ocean currents, shaping weather systems globally. Without rotation, winds would blow straight from the poles to the equator, disrupting rainfall, potentially creating massive deserts in some regions and relentless storms in others. Life on Earth depends on the cycle of day and night and the climate it creates. Plants use sunlight for photosynthesis, animals rely on circadian rhythms, and humans plan their lives around days and nights. Without a spinning Earth, this delicate balance collapses. Many species might not survive the rapid changes, and human civilization would have to adapt drastically, possibly retreating indoors or developing artificial environments. On a lighter note, no more alarm clocks, ever. You could snooze forever in that eternal night or sunbathe endlessly under the constant daylight. But the reality? It's not so relaxing when one half of the planet is a fiery desert and the other a frozen tundra. In short, if Earth stopped spinning suddenly, it would be catastrophic, massive destruction from inertia, climate collapse, and ecosystems wiped out. Survival chances would be slim, but if the slowdown happened gradually over millions of years, life might adapt to the new rhythm. So next time you watch a sunset, remember how precious this spinning globe is, giving us the gift of time, balance, and life itself.